Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete Facebook page. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, click on menu, then click on your page, then switch to your page. Okay, click on menu, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Okay, scroll down, after that click on access and control. Okay, then click on delete page and continue and Gmail and password. That's all. Delete your page. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.